Key West is a paradise. It really is. It's a 2-by-4-mile island. The weather is always perfect. There are lots of colors, beautiful smells. Everybody has a very low-key attitude, but there is a dark side to paradise, and that is that a lot of times people come here and they have a laissez-faire attitude about their health. A third of our residents don't have any health insurance at all, and that's a big part of why the need for Womankind came into play.
Womankind is a women's health care center that offers family planning, primary care, mental health counseling, kind of the comprehensive range of women's health services under one roof.
It doesn't matter who you are, what your story is, what brings you here. You're going to be treated as a whole person. You're going to be treated with respect. You're going to be cared for from the inside out.
We are affordable care and quality care for women. I don't know many communities that have that, period. We have helped so many women in this community battle cancer and get the services they need, who otherwise, again, if you have insurance, great. But if you don't, it's really, really hard.
Sentí una molestia en el mismo seno derecho.
I came to Womankind because I had an ache on my right breast, and they did a mammogram and it came back positive for cancer. I tried to go to the Department of Children and Families, but I was declined because they said $17,000 a year was too much to qualify for any assistance. Womankind referred me to Dr. Klitnick, who is the one who performed my mastectomy, even though I didn't have the money. Womankind and Dr. Klitnick worked together and helped me with my procedure, even though I couldn't afford it.
Education goes a long way in a small community. A couple of years ago in this town, 12 seniors were pregnant. This is a lot for us, for a very small school. We went in, we started doing some more work and really pushing the teen clinic, and we had a lot more teens that year come in. That following year, there were like 2 teen pregnancies.
For me, this was really surprising. Birth control has been always a problem where I'm coming from Honduras, where the fact that a woman is under birth control, it's looked like a sin, like you're a bad person. And they actually teach me that it's okay, it's normal, that I'm actually doing something good for myself, which it was something that I have never been able to feel back in Honduras.
I think what really makes Womankind unique is we're a center that serves people across the economic spectrum. It's one of the ways our financial model works is that we have women of economic means who come to Womankind to pay for our services.
So what Womankind does, it's built on a women helping women model. Those women of means come in and they often pay full fee, even though they have insurance. They still want to pay full fee because they know that giving us that money is a way of subsidizing the health care of other women in the town who need breast exams, they need pap smears, they need birth control.
People who can afford to come here and pay also contribute in other ways. They come to our fundraisers, they host our fundraisers.
We have a couple of signature events that the community almost expects. And it isn't so much that you're beating the bushes to get people to come out to give some money to your organization, but there's almost a community expectation that your nonprofit will be celebrated.
So they give even more than the price, and I think that it feels good to them to know that they're supporting other women, and that really does work.
When you walk inside Womankind, you can tell that they are actually doing the job because this is what they like to do, because this is what they want to do. Womankind is not having a friend, it's having family.
There is no way I can thank Womankind enough. I am very thankful.
Key West is always going to be a paradise. Nothing can feel like paradise if you're sick. So you have to have a place like Womankind to go to get better.